Hello.
Hi guys, today we're going to be making some slime with
And we love
these
slime.
cups.
Yeah, cups and straws.
Yeah. So you can see my sister. You see my sister?
Hello.
And you can start to see me. Let me just move the camera.
We gotta drop the salt. I'll be right back.
There we go. So yeah, you can see both of us as we're working. So my sister just went to go get some salt. I don't know what salt has to do with this.
Oh, it's the only thing that can combine it.
Okay. So, okay.
I was
So-
walking that for a reason.
Okay, so I have this. I have that. So let's add this in there.
That's my dad's.
Oh, well, I don't care. I'm using it. Even Uncle's.
Oh, yeah, uncle's.
No, Uncle stole it from Dad. Remember?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna take out my straw first.
It was dad's.
What? Okay, I don't want to add a lot. Okay. She's adding her salt.
So she.
I don't want to add too much. I never made slime before. I only made it like once. Whoa, I feel like it's getting harder. Is that good?
Yeah.
Oh. Is this good that it looks like this?
Pause these real quick.
You're just stopping.